Welcome back to another video. It is 3:29 a.m. Can't sleep, so making this video. Oh, new room. If you haven't noticed, I'm still setting it up. Actually, that corner, the only thing that's visible in the video, that I'm still setting up that corner. That's my desk, going to be my desk setup. And behind me are the fragrance boxes on the floor and my fragrances. So yeah, I set them up, still organizing them, but that's how they're looking right now. Might make another video, like a 2026 like fragrance haul, most likely within the next month. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, just a very unprepared sort of 3 a.m. video. I was gonna record this later today when I was waking up, but bro can't wait. And bro has no idea what this fragrance is. So my first video of 2026, I think. So happy New Year if you're a time traveler 3 months into the past. So here it is. Bunch of coupons that fell on the floor. And here's the actual fragrance. So Liquid Brun by French Avenue. Okay. Sounds promising. I only have one other fragrance by French Avenue, which is Aether, which is my summer scent, one of my summer scents. It smells like a bush. I have that video if you want to see it. Wait, I guess I should stand like this, right? This makes more sense. Yeah, and my window behind me. I'll probably give like a house tour, or a room tour rather, because brand new room, brand new place. Just I like it. But I'll probably give the tour. The window behind me is shut, so no natural lighting. Anyway, look at it. Look at the box. Look how cool that looks. Look at the. I think this is plastic. I think it's plastic, but those are the ingredients. Top notes are cinnamon, bergamot, cardamom, orange blossom. Middle note is bourbon, vanilla, and elemi. I don't know what elemi is. Oh, right. Just realized I'm standing too tall. And the base note is musk, praline, ambroxan, and guaiac wood. I don't know what that last one is. If you even see that. And yeah, so I like this cool emerald thingy, ruby. Actually, it's colored pink. If anyone knows their, emeralds or whatever. Okay, how do you open this? Because you can't open it like. Interesting. It doesn't open like a book. It doesn't open vertically. Okay, this is quite interesting. Oh, that's how you open it. Okay, so W box. Yeah, W box. I like these unique ones. And here's the actual fragrance. Pretty cool design. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like a chess piece. Like a rook. But I'm not gonna sacrifice this. if you know what I mean. I guess I should stand like this, block the light. Damn, I have no idea. I don't know. I do not know. Maybe that's good. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Let's open it. Honestly, not that bad of a cap. I think 2 weeks ago I rewatched all my videos, and I don't know, I kind of like made a deal about the caps being magnetic. Yeah, this would be better if it was magnetic. See? It's not, but it would be better if it was. The cap has the same emerald thing, so does the bottle. It's a pretty cool bottle, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty W bottle. Okay, spray test. Pretty decent sprayer. Ooh, okay, wow. Wow, okay. So, this kind of reminds me of Mercedes smell, the Mercedes fragrance smell, or like the vanilla. I smell a lot of vanilla, but this is really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably up there, probably better than the Mercedes ones. I think out of my vanilla ones, this one would be number 1. Mercedes would be number 2. I mean, why not? I'll just take them, show them to you. Like this is 1, this is 2, this one's 2, and this one's 3, which is Ferrari. And then 4 would be Cremo Cologne, but I don't know. These two, this Mercedes and the Liquid Brun, yeah, they're pretty good. I mean, I would imagine myself wearing this as the same places that I wear this, which is usually just to class. It's a vanilla fragrance, so. You know, probably wear them to like some basic hangout events. But at the same time though, sometimes I wear vanilla fragrance. They're like, especially the Cremo Cologne one, it has a little bit of spice. I don't know, but you have to really like alter your mindset, because I don't know how to explain. Maybe this is like a stupid explanation, but it kind of like seems kind of emasculating, but not in a bad way, not in a good way, just matter of fact. I feel like men shouldn't really wear vanilla fragrances, but you get used to it, and you know, it smells good. Like this smells really good. I smell a lot of the vanilla. What other, you know, yeah, the bourbon vanilla, that's just like super potent in my opinion. I don't know any of the other ones, but yeah, in my like amateur explanation, amateur opinion sort of thing, yeah, the vanilla is pretty prevalent. And I'm not gonna lie, I might wear this today. I might wear this today to class. in like 4 hours and 20 minutes, almost 4 hours and 22 minutes. Okay, well, that's my review. I think I didn't leave anything out. Thanks for 150 subscribers. And yeah, I don't know. Let's make some thumbnails. And I'll make a full 2026 fragrance haul soon. So stay tuned for that. All of those fragrances you see, I shall explain them all. And that's gonna be a long video. That's gonna be like really, probably like 20 minutes. Oh no. Oh wow, okay. Well, I mean, I don't really care, but you know, my bottle's a little scuffed here. It's a little scratched. Come on, French Avenue. What in the world? All right, well, I'm gonna spray in the cap. Yeah, it's just vanilla, very nice. Very, very nice. I feel like nice is the best word to describe it. It's just very nice and soothing. Very vanilla. All right, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.